Well, hello guys. As you know, at the today's period, most of us, especially college student, was at home because college has not been opened yet. So it is a great time to build some kind of good and new habits that will help you to enhance your lifestyle. So friends, we are talking about the same topic in this video, but before that, if you are liking my content, hit the like button and also the share button so more and more people can see my video and get information from that, and also press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest updates before everyone. So friends, if you are hearing this video in the form of an audio podcast on Anchor, on Spotify, so you can follow my podcast to get the latest updates. So friends, in this video we are going to talk about the topic that 5 habits you can make during this time to improve your lifestyle. So friends, without wasting more time, let's get started. So friends, making good habits is not a big thing, but it is important to maintaining the habit for long periods of time. For that, I also discussed the way of making unbreakable habits in my 21 days habit making video, in which I have examined the 21-day habit plan, and I also give some adjustment in that, so you can use that. If you want to see that particular video, you can get in the I button. You can click on the I button, or you can see the description. The link of the video was given there. So friends, now we will talking about the first habit that you can make, and the first habit was book reading. As you know that education is a supreme power, and if you have more and more knowledge, then it is more chances of your success occurs. Because as you know, many great persons like Elon Musk and Bill Gates recommend to read book daily. At least you have to read 2 or 3 books a month. For example, Elon Musk read 35 books a year, means 1 book per week. So you can, it is not important you have to make this kind of schedule, but you have to read at least 1 or 2 books per month, so you can get more knowledge. So for doing that, you have to make habit on that. For example, I am not saying to read 1, 2 or 3 or 4 chapters. You can read 1 or 2 pages of counting daily. So as you will proceed with your habit will get more and more better, and you will love reading books. Because when you are learning some kind of book, for example, Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, or How to Begin Your Day by Stephen Spender, or you can also learn from different kind of books like Wings of Fire. So friends, some of the book I have also give the link in the description. You can start with, so you can select from that and start reading a book today. Because reading a book is also act as a major part in the path of success, because knowledge is the main power. So friends, let me talk about the second, and the second habit was meditation. As you know, mental state is also important, mental health is also important, and meditation play a very important role in maintaining the mental state. Because if as a student we have to process huge amount of information in our mind and in our subconscious mind, at the time it is very important to give a rest to our mind. And if you are getting in a schedule of meditating daily, then you can easily process that information and you can give relax to your mind. So next time when will you start your study, you will get more accuracy and more efficiency. So friends, now let me talk about the third habit, and the third habit was of growing plants. As you know, plants give us oxygen, and if you make a habit of growing plants, that is very good for you. Because keeping interaction with plants, growing plants is not only helpful for our society, it also helpful for you, because growing plants also give you a mind refreshment. It will give you relaxation, and if you make or get in such a kind of habit, you are habitual with giving water to them, spending time with them, and due to that you will increase your concentration. So it is very important that for a student, growing plants can be act as a best habit, because it will give you a time to interact with the nature. Now we will talk about the fourth habit, that is you can also do writing practices. Writing practices means everybody likes to write on something. You can write songs, you can write diaries, you can write a novel, you can write on whatever topic you like. You can write a book also, because at this time you are a college student, and a college student have loads of creativity in their mind. You just have to bring out that creativity, because as more you write, you can practice your writing. That also help in your examinations, your writing skills. Not only that, if you want to publish a kind of book if you want to share your content in the form of written notes, then this practice will help you a lot. And if you make writing a habit, then it will help you a lot. You can also make a habit of writing diary at every night. You can write what happens in the day. You can also do journaling. Journal mainly help you to organize your work. You can write your all appointments, schedules, to-dos, your classes. So whenever you have to keep track of them, you just have to open that particular copy and you have to see your appointment. So your writing habit is also increasing while writing your gratitudes, your day in your diaries, and you also get many benefits from that. Now the last one is very important in maintaining good habits, that is maintaining consistency. Means it is not an habit or it is not less than a habit, because if you have start any kind of habit and it is good habit, it is very important to maintaining consistency. For example, as I say, the habit of reading, you only get in the habit of reading if you start to read daily. It doesn't matter that you have to read 1 page or 2 pages, 1 para or 2 para. You have to just read. For example, you are making a habit of growing plants, then you have to give water to that particular plant daily. In the case of writing, you have to write daily. In the case of meditation, you have to meditate daily, because if you do something on a daily purpose, you get interest in that particular kind of habit, and that will help you to maintain consistency. So maintaining consistency is one of the most important point in the whole video. So you have to maintain consistency. So friends, that's all for this video. If you want to read more brief about the video, you will get the link in the description of the dedicated post. So friends, that's all for this video. If you liking my content, hit the like button and also the share button. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting latest updates, and tell me your suggestion and video recommendation in the comment section. So friends, that's all for this video. I will meet you next Saturday with the next topic regarding productivity. Till then, Pudit Sharma signing out.